Hi Chris, this is Ewen Macintosh, actor, here to talk about K-Shop. For anyone interested in looking at it, having a look at it, an unusual British horror film with a bit of a message to it, set in a town in England. I don't think the town's ever named, although it was all filmed and written in Bournemouth, and it's about a guy whose dad has a kebab shop, and his dad is killed in a disagreement with some drunken customers, and the guy Salah has left the shop, so he has to run the shop now, and he basically hates the drinking culture that exists in this town, and he has to deal with drunken customers every night, and he kind of gets into an altercation himself and is left with a dead body on his hands, and I'll leave you to guess what he does with it. And anyway, the film kind of progresses from there, and it's a horror film, and it's kind of looking at drinking culture in the UK as well, and makes you think about that a little bit. And I play one of the sort of funnier boozy characters in it early on in the film. So anyway, check it out.
Reported disturbance?
Yeah, a load of punches thrown, place left in a complete state.
Great.
Excuse me? I called you like nearly 3 hours ago.
Busy night.
I've got no idea how you put up with this for so long.
They're just drunk. Don't take it personally.
What are we fucking doing, man?
Dad! Help! Help!
The fundamental problem we have is that without an eyewitness, it's impossible to prove the manslaughter claim. Do me a favour. Use this place to save up the money, I mean. Finish your study.
Sorry, smash your fucking...
I hate you! Then burn the goddamn thing to the ground.
Hi, I just slam dunked a kid's head into the fryer and killed him. Oh, well, that's perfectly reasonable, Mr. Kebab Man. We'll just come over and pick up the body.
He's psycho.
Psycho? Yeah. We're just having a bit of banter, mate.
Come on, man up and swallow like a good boy!
Mate.
That's the best fucking kebab I've ever fucking had. That's outstanding.